Your surgery went well. You should be able to get up and move around in 2 weeks once we're sure the antibiotics have cleared your infection.
Hear that? It won't be too long until we can go home.
You did great, honey.
Lights. Are the lights okay? Do you want them dim?
They're okay.